YFM is line valve and piping manufacturer since 1989, with a core business of corrosion-resistant flow control for customers worldwide. As a marketing and R&D center, the headquarters of YFM is located in Wenzhou, one of the most prosperous, economically developed cities in China. In 2004, a production base was built in Fujian province to reinforce productivity and to diversify production, which occupies 4.7 hectares with 50,000 square meters under cover. YFM also established branches and after-sales service network throughout China and worldwide to provide faster response time to customer requirements. YFM's goal is to provide outstanding products with consistent and superior quality based on the company's strategy led by Xiao Youzhu, the president of YFM, together with efforts of personnel. In YFM, the key manufacturing processes are compression molding, isostatic, paste extrusion, molding injection molding, and so on. YFM utilizes up-to-date manufacturing technology for the lining process and continues investing in latest machines and equipment to improve production efficiency and quality control. YFM conducts extensive quality control tests to ensure the performance and safety of its products. The valves are in assembly lines to ensure every piece must test to ensure consistent and stable quality and zero defect. YFM are specialized in manufacturing lined valves, pipe and fittings and vessels. The valves including butterfly valve, ball valve, diagram valve, plug valve, check valve, globe valve, gate valve, etc., with different operation methods and extensive size range that can meet various standards in global by applying 3D design and other modern technologies. The pipe and fitting series include pipe, hose, elbow, reducer, T, side glass, strainer, expansion joints, vessels, tower, tank, etc. YFM's products are widely used in chemical process such as pulp and paper, in organic chemicals, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, mining and smelting, etc. Products traceability, inspection and testing. All raw material purchased has its own unique number to trace and inspect it. YFM Quality Assurance and Resourcing Department do the vendor assessment qualification before buying the raw material. YFM is doing 100% incoming quality control and in-process inspection, including visual, dimensional test, and tensile, electrostatic testing, hydrostatic testing, etc. Moreover, YFM is doing 100% final inspection of all the products as per standards or approved of QAP. YFM is an ISO 9001-2008 approved company, and all products are CE marked where applicable. The mission of YFM is to work closely and grow within customers to become a manufacturer that maintains a good business relationship with long-term partners. Thank you for your viewing YFM's introduction, and please keep in touch.